It is used for the disaster and EMS service. As you can see, the stretcher is made of aluminum alloy. It's high strength and easy to carry, and can move the patient stable. And the material of the clothes is the black mesh is black mesh with high quality, healthy strength, and easy to clean. The 4 handles are telescopic rods. Let me show you. Just press this point to put the rod in. There are 4 safety belts to keep the patient stable. It can be folded easily. Now let me show you how to operate. Lift the stretcher and step on it with your foot. Follow the first step. Step on it with your foot. Here is the stretcher bag. There are 2 aluminum plates in this bag. You see. Now we can put the stretcher into the bag. Now I will show you how to open it. It's also very easy to operate. Take the handles and roll them in, and lift it. Put on it with your foot. You see? Then the other side. You don't need to roll the handles in on this side. Just lift them and step on it. Okay, now it's opened.